Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix CapCut export failed problem on iPhone or Android. If you're using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're trying to export any video from CapCut but you're facing CapCut export failed error, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. You can also try to switch between Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can try to connect with a strongest and a stable network connection. Or you have to go ahead to your browser, open any random website to check if your internet is working or not. If your internet is working well, so you have to go ahead to your settings app, go to general, and go to VPN device management, and just try to disconnect with your VPN if you are connected to any kind of VPN here. And once you have disconnected your VPN, you have to go back and open your app store for search and search for CapCut. You have to try to update your CapCut app if you find any pending update here. And once you have updated your app, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go back and open your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhones or in your Android phone. So you might have to make sure that you have up to 5 to 10 GB free and your iPhone or Android storage. So once you have checked, so you just have to retry to check your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart. You can try to restart your Android or iPhone to fix minor glitches with your phone. Sometime it might be that your phone have any glitch, so it can't download anything from CapCut. So you can easily fix by restarting your phone. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, that's the only way. You have to simply go ahead to your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage here. Just look for CapCut app. And here, if you can't find your CapCut app, so you can also try to search for your CapCut app here. So here you have to try to delete your app, or you can also try to offload your app. So if there will be any bug or any malware with your CapCut app, it will be fixed in this app and then you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.